Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Katie. Nice to meet you. Today, I thought it would be cool if we kind of did a swapping purses video. So this is my current purse. This is my new purse. My best friend, Deffy, got me this for Christmas. It's so cute and bright and not dark like my black one. But the reason I hadn't used it yet is because my wallet doesn't fit in this purse, so I needed to get a new wallet. This morning I got up and went to Walmart and I got this little sparkly pouch purse looking thing. I just thought it was so cute because it's sparkly. And I'm just going to take this strap off. This wallet was $11.97. So I'm just going to take the strap off and save it for if I need it. But then this is going to be my wallet, and I'm going to change this wallet to this wallet. And then this is going to be kind of like a what's in my purse, clean out my purse, switch purse with me video, and we're going to go from this purse to this purse. First things first though, I have to switch wallets. So much change. Okay, so I got my wallet all switched over, and now it's time to take stuff out of this purse and put it in this purse. So let's see. In my purse, I have Rodent and Fields samples, a Polaroid of myself from the mountains, nail polish, glasses, those definitely need to go with me, sunglasses, mascara, perfume, chapstick, 2 pens, super glue, another pen, a Sharpie, lip sunscreen, a breakfast sandwich, my keys, my vlog camera, and oh, found my debit card. I had lost it. And some extra change. I'm going to put one of the pens in my wallet, both glasses, my mini chapsticks. So we have the Juicy Couture perfume. I love this stuff. I actually just got another one too. So I actually just got this Juicy perfume. I just love it. It's the, I don't know if it's OI or OEY, I don't know. But it's the one you dab. Once you finally get the top off, you just dab it, you know. So in my purse, I have the Viva La Juicy Noir, I don't know, the black one. I love this one too. Oh my gosh. I just think this one smells so good. I'm gonna smell all the different juicies, okay? And then this one is the Viva La Juicy Couture. I used to have this one in a big spray bottle, and it was beautiful. It was golden with a pink bow, and I don't know what happened to it. This is definitely still going in my purse. I put it in this little front slidey part here. Mascara. I don't know how you say this either, this chapstick, but I really like it. Lypsyl or T, Silky Swedish Beeswax Lip Balm, Intense Protection. And it has this thing on the side, and it just goes up and down. I don't know. I just really like this chapstick, and I have really dry lips. So I can just slide that right on in there. Sunscreen, even though it's not summer. And all my essentials are right there. They're gonna think I'm crazy, but the reason I keep super glue in my purse is for when I have fake nails. I can just glue them back on while I'm working. I think I'll leave the nail polish out. I'm gonna put my samples back in. I love giving people samples. Obviously, my keys need to go back in there. Okay. So now I just have this cute little mustard bucket purse. I think this is so cute. It's adorable. I'm going to wear it like a satchel. It's not too big. It's nice and organized. I told y'all, 2020 is gonna be my year. I am gonna be organized. I'm still talking about New Year's resolutions, but that's because I'm sticking to them. And to stick to them, I have to keep talking about them. Right? Right. The next type of bag I need is one to like put my pens in, and then I have my agenda, don't show you that. So then I have my little agenda, my to-do list, and my calendar. And so I need a bag to put this, like my laptop, my actual notebook, like that I jot down notes in, like my grocery list and stuff, like a Miss Organization boss lady bag to like just carry around with me other than my purse. That sounds weird. I don't know. I know I just got way off topic, but anyways, that was me switching purses. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thought it was kind of a way to incorporate like what's in my purse, plus showing you my old purse and my new purse, out with the old, dark, in with the new color. We're being better and more colorful. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just thought it was a good way to incorporate a few like normal video ideas. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up because it really helps support my channel. If you would like to keep seeing me, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload, every Saturday morning at 9:30 a.m. and every Tuesday afternoon at 3:30 p.m. Bye guys!